Hi, my name is Gian Marco Iodice and I'm a senior software engineer for the machine learning group at ARM. In particular, I'm a part of the ARM compute library responsible for the GPU optimizations on ARM Mali GPUs. Today we are here at the Embedded Vision Summit with our demos to demonstrate how ARM is enabling intelligent vision applications to the edge. For instance, here we have an object recognition demo deployed on a Huawei Mate 9 through ARMNN and Compute Library. ARMNN and Compute Library are both free and open source software library developed by ARM, which are necessary to have an efficient and fast implementations on ARM-based platforms, also the coming ML processor. ARMNN is our bridge between our frameworks, which can be, for instance, TensorFlow and Caffe, and our ARM IPs. Compute Library, instead, is the main building block to have efficient implementations on our ARM IPs, in particular on our ARM Cortex-A CPUs and on our ARM Mali GPUs. But let's see our demo. So here we have three different convolutional neural networks, which are different in terms of speed of computation and accuracy. In particular, we have AlexNet, ResNet50, and VGG60. So if I click on AlexNet, the app is gonna load the model, the pre-trained model from Caffe, and ARMNN is gonna parse the model and deploy the network through the compute library. Once we have loaded our pre-trained model, we have up and running our inference engine on our GPU. In particular, we can see the recognized object here, but we have also other two interesting informations: the image processed per second and the accuracy for the recognized object. If I click here, also I'm able to switch between the GPU implementation to the CPU implementation, and this thanks to ARMNN, which is able to dispatch the job or on the CPU or on the GPU side. So if you'd like to have more information, I strongly suggest to visit our website arm.com, and many thanks for watching.